Like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. What's up, my crypto legends? You know what time it is? It's time for a cold beer and another MiningBlocks video.
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on! Ah! Yes!
Cheers, guys. Oh, so good. Guys, quick intro for all the new viewers, okay? MiningBlocks is an amazing crypto faucet where you can earn free crypto passively and withdraw it directly to your wallet or to your FaucetPay account. If you join MiningBlocks by using the link in the description below, and if you stay active, I will send you free miners so that you can increase your mining power and mine even more free cryptocurrencies. Oops. Okay, that's it for the intro, guys. What's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are doing fine. So let me check. So as you can see, I didn't log in for a long time. I lost my damn loyalty bonus. Yeah. But okay, let me just grab the faucet. Okay, cool. Poor container mining tokens and blocks. So, I have noticed also that my mining pool, cheap pool, so I think it's not, yeah, the black block pool is at the top now, so I'm gonna join this one. Okay. So what can I say here, guys? So there has been one event since the last time that I have posted a video. I don't know what was the name of that event. So these were the two miners that were in this event. So there was just 20 levels, Prince Miner and Queen Miner. I bought these two on the marketplace when the season pass came out, because I didn't complete the season pass. So there's one more Prince Miner on the marketplace for 4.5 blocks. And what was the other miner? The Queen Miner. 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐴𝐴𝐻𝐿. Okay, 2.5. There's two more Queen Miners. My recommendation, if you have missed these miners, buy them now, because you know, who knows when this event will be again, and the card bonuses are actually nice. So for the Queen Miner it's 2%, and for the Prince Miner it's 1.5%. Whoa. So there's this new kind of, I mean, there's no event going on, but there's some bonus mini events like that the site owner has put. For example, for exchanging blocks for the games, you will get 50% more blocks and so on. So yeah, now I'm currently level 61, 74% until level 62. So okay, I need to grind. I didn't log in for a long time, but I will grind once more for you guys, okay, to send you free miners. Let's take a look at the boxes. Oh boy, I have 19 referral tokens. Okay, so you guys have obviously been grinding, that's nice. I didn't check my referral list for a long time, I'm gonna do that now. But anyways, just one look at this week's junk box. So I have, these are the new miners, let me see. Mid miner G1 R2. I think I have a card for this one. Mid miner G1 R2. Okay, bronze miner. I have this one for sure, I know that. 0.5, small boy miner. I think this is a good one actually. Small boy miner gives a 1% or maybe even more. 1%, yeah, this is a good miner. Mid recycle miner, so this is what I want to check out. I'm not sure if I have this one. Mid recycle miner, okay, I have it, but this is a very good miner, guys. A very good miner, 1.65%, really nice mining card bonus. So yeah, not much else to say, guys. I want to wrap this up, so let's take a look at the referral page. Let's take a look. 508. Oh, so let me check it out. 𝐾𝐲 stopped mining. Sunny level 29, he's mining Polygon. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Here are my miners. So what is he? Level 29. That's a good level. That's a good level. I'm going to send him one mid referral miner to Sunny. Oh, I need my phone. Okay, that's one miner for my bro Sunny. Next we have Light Love Spirit stopped mining. Sheep is mining Solana, level 24. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Level 24. I need to get rid of these small miners also, but okay, let's send him one small referral miner for sheep. Okay, I can send him also this one small miner, G1R2. Okay, that's two miners for him. Should I send one more to... Who was the first guy? Kamikaze, no. What? There is Sunny. I'm going to send him one more miner. Okay, that's two miners for Sunny and sheep. Let's go next. No rollers, please, level 28. Okay, nice. Level 28. Let's send him this one light miner. And what should I send him? What is he? Level 28. Okay, that's a nice level. Let's send him one smaller referral miner. Okay, two miners for this bro. Cool. 𝐓𝐼𝐢𝐭𝐚, he's level 15. He's mining Solana. Damn, why did I close this? He's level 15. I'm going to send him this mid miner. Okay, level 15 is low. I'm going to leave him with one miner. Let's go next, guys. Hero is still mining on level 6, but that's too low. I'm sorry, I'm not going to. I'm only, from now on, I know I said this before, but from now on I'm applying this, so I will just gift to people that are level 15 or higher, okay? Because, you know, I also need to grind for these miners to send them to you guys, so and only after you get to level 15 do I start receiving referral rewards, so Yeah. Marco 28, he's level 29. Very nice. Very nice. Let's send him one small referral miner. Okay, should I send him one more? I should, right? I sent 2 miners to them before. Let's send him one more. Poor referral miner. Okay, that's 2 miners for this bro. This guy stopped mining. FCB Lipton level 38. Okay, he needs some good miners. FCB Lipton needs some good miners. Queen miner. Okay, I'm gonna send him the queen miner. Let's send him one queen miner. That's it, 1 miner for you, FCB Lipton, but it was the strongest miner, so okay, I hope you are happy, bro. Thanks for mining. Thanks, man, for staying active. Let's see next. So I don't know if the Black Kings stopped mining, he got banned or something. I don't know if there's... Oh, Max 74 got to level 23, nice, nice. He was like a low level for a long time, but obviously he put in some work, so... Really nice. That's a little bit lower than those guys that I have gifted before, but I will send him 2 miners. So I'll send him this one. Okay, and 1 smaller referral miner. Okay, nice. 2 miners for Max 74. Thanks for grinding, bro. That's nice. He has signed up like last year, but he is active. That's nice. Thanks, man. Thank you very much to all of you guys. You are the best. Okay, let's go next. 𝐟𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐿 stopped mining. I think there's just one more, bro. The highest level. I'm gonna call him beer mining. Okay, there's one more. Abdelghani, level 12. He's mining TRX. Okay, let's send him this one. I'm gonna send him 1 miner, since he's a little bit lower level. Okay. Gregorio Universe level 4. He started mining. But that's too low. Sorry, level 4. Not this time. Maybe next time I will gift you if you level up a little bit. Cactus Bitcoin stopped mining a long time ago. Okay, there's beer mining. I'm gonna call him beer mining. Level 65. What is he mining? RYM. What crypto is that? RYM. It's the Litecoin pool, yeah. He's mining Litecoin. Okay, cool. Anyways, let's send my bro 1 mid referral miner. Nice. And I will send him 1 of these Easter miner, the number 9. Nice. Whoa, let's go. That's it. That's it. for this video, for this MiningBlocks video. For the next one I have to record the intro. I have to record like a 30-second or 1-minute intro for every MiningBlocks video. So I just plug that in and then I chill. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Like, subscribe, take care, be nice, and that's it. See you in the next video, guys. My legends, bye bye.